Hello and welcome back to my channel everyone. We are doing our weekly reads from the 15th to the 21st of February, and this read is going to be for our Taurus gang. Let's see what comes up for our Taurus people. Not going to take that because I wasn't really ready for it. So let's see what was the recent past and what comes in the current energies and the immediate future for our Taurus. Universe energies of the Taurus. Undecision, feeling caged, loneliness mode. Let's see what comes in the current energies for a Taurus. Current energies, justice. Okay. Okay, Taurus. So, in the recent past, we have the Nine of Wands, the Eight of Cups, and the Eight of Swords, which is you are not looking towards where the grass is greener, because I do see the grass is greener on the other side, and you would just have your back. You have just made that wall, and you really don't want to look towards the other path. You just want to walk away from a certain thing. This thing might give you some kind of abundance. You're just not looking towards that thing, and more or less it could be in terms of love, and you're not going towards love. You're going away from this whole love situation because for some reason you're feeling very frustrated, you're feeling very caged, you're feeling bound to this relationship. See this card here, feeling bound to this relationship, you're feeling caged. But in the current situation, we do have the Justice card for you, which is that you'll be able to make the balance between whatever emotionally you are feeling, whatever emotional imbalance you have. So you will find out some kind of truth that is gonna make you feel very balanced, and that will make you feel somewhat restless also, because you really want to say something to someone. You really want to express how you feel, you really want to express your feelings, but when you get to know about this truth. But I do see you even moving towards this person to share this news, to share this message in the immediate future. But I don't see you really approaching. I don't see that you have reached, at least not in not in this next week. I see you juggling right now also, and I do have this kind of energy that you will just keep on balancing all the energies. You do trust the universe, but you will keep on balancing all these energies, at least in this next week. I don't see you going towards this person, although you'll be very restless, because in the current situation you are seeing that things are improving in terms of your love. There are things that are making you feel happy after you get to know the truth, of course. So whatever you were juggling about, whatever was making you feel frustrated, caged, those things are gonna end up, and there's this feeling of being settled in life. There's this feeling of being in a happy place. You might just build all these things in your mind right now, like not physically you are going to approach this person, but in your mind you'll have this happy home with this person, and you'll feel that you are very happily living with this person because you got to know all the truth, and you really want to share this message. But I don't see that you will be doing it in this next week. Maybe after this Mercury retrograde ends, after the 21st, maybe you'll do that, but not in this week, because the overall energy is just of balancing. You will only be balancing all the situations. There will be some kind of restrictions that will be holding you back from going towards this person, but eventually you are taking the guidance from the universe. You're taking your intuition seriously. So that was your read, Taurus. That was a pretty nice read for you guys. If it resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you all in the next video. And do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.